In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and duplicate shapes in Affinity. We'll keep it simple. We'll head into Affinity, draw a shape using the pencil tool, then duplicate it quickly with a single shortcut. Whether you're building icons, patterns, or just sketching ideas, this workflow is fast, flexible, and beginner-friendly. I'll call out a few helpful settings so you get clean, predictable results. First, go to Affinity. If you're in Designer or Photo, make sure you're on a canvas you can work on. The interface may look slightly different between apps, but the core tools are in the left toolbar. Take a moment to zoom to a comfortable level and turn on snapping if you want guides to help you place shapes precisely. With the workspace ready, you're set to draw. Next, click the pencil tool, the icon that looks like a pencil, then create your shape. With the pencil tool active, click and drag to sketch a closed form. To close it neatly, bring the cursor back to the starting point until you see it ready to connect, then release. If the path looks rough, adjust the pencil's smoothness setting to reduce extra nodes. You can change stroke color, width, and fill in the context toolbar so your shape is easy to see. If a line doesn't come out right, a quick undo will let you try again without breaking your flow. Aim for a clear silhouette so duplicates read well later. Now duplicate the shape. Select it with the Move tool. If it's not already selected, then press Ctrl+J. That creates a copy directly on top of the original. Drag the duplicate to a new position so you can see it. Press Ctrl+J again to make more copies as needed. If you want evenly spaced rows, nudge copies with the arrow keys, and let snapping help you align edges or centers. Keep an eye on the Layers panel to confirm each new duplicate. If duplicates stack perfectly, don't worry, just drag one aside to reveal the rest. This shortcut keeps your momentum up, especially when you're building patterns or grids. And that's it. Done. You went to Affinity, drew a shape with the pencil tool, and duplicated it as many times as you wanted using Ctrl+J. Remember, smoothness settings and snapping can make your shapes cleaner and your layout more consistent. If you need quick variations, change the fill or stroke of individual duplicates after you place them. Practice this flow a few times and you'll build patterns and layouts in minutes with confident control.